Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate captions in CapCut PC and also apply the captions template. So in here, you can just start by adding your clips that you want to edit and then add to captions. Here, I'm going to click on the auto captions. Don't forget to add or select the spoken language in the video. Then after that, you can click on generate. So after this, CapCut will do its magic by creating the auto captions for your videos. Just wait until it finishes, then you can apply the text template after that. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can Okay, I'm going to click on captions templates in here. Then choose the captions templates that you want. For example, let's try to add this one's right here. Download the captions template first and then click on the plus icon. Apply it for the whole video and this is the result. Okay, sorry. Oh, I think you need to auto generate the captions in here. So let's try to click this. Sorry. So clicks on the text caption templates that you want to use and then click on auto generate caption. So if you want to use only the caption templates, you can just go directly to the caption template, choose the one that you want and then click on auto generate caption. So after that, your caption will automatically apply. Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. You can always change the font or the style of the captions. Here for example, I'm going to change the font. I'm going to change it into this elephant for example, and just like that, flickering text effect, you can go to effects. So that's all from me and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.